Glister, The Golden Brush, A Tale of Discovery by Shelley and Friend. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young artist named Jo. Jo was known for her vibrant imagination and her deep passion for painting. She would spend hours in her studio, allowing her brush to dance across the canvas, bringing to life amazing works of art. One sunny morning, as the birds sang, the hens clucked, and the breeze gently rustled the leaves outside, Jo found herself facing a creative block. Her mind felt cluttered, and her brush felt heavy in her hand. She longed to create something beautiful, something that would inspire and captivate others. But time after time, she scraped the paint off her canvas in failure. Searching for inspiration, Jo went for a walk along winding cobblestone streets, admiring the colorful buildings of her little town and greeting the friendly townspeople. As she wandered, she stumbled upon an old bookstore she had never seen before, tucked away in a quiet corner. Curiosity tugged at Jo's heart, and she couldn't resist stepping inside. The bookstore was filled with shelves upon shelves of books, many with spines worn with age. Jo felt a sense of magic in the air as she ran her fingers over the titles, each one holding untold stories within its pages. Then suddenly, within this maze of books, Jo discovered an ancient tome. Its cover shimmered with golden hues, beckoning her to explore its secrets. She gently blew away the dust and opened it, revealing delicate pages filled with intricate illustrations and forgotten tales. As she delved into the book's pages, Jo discovered a story about a mythical painter who possessed a brush infused with pure gold. Its name was Glister, and legend had it that anyone who wielded this golden brush would be able to bring their wildest artistic dreams to life. Intrigued by the tale, Jo couldn't help but wonder if such a brush truly existed. With a newfound sense of purpose, she decided to embark on a quest to find this legendary artifact, Glister, and unleash its creative power. Guided by the clues within the ancient tome, Jo journeyed through the enchanted forests, crossed treacherous rivers, and climbed towering mountains. Along the way, she encountered mystical creatures who offered her wisdom and guidance. Each encounter added a brushstroke of inspiration to her artistic journey. After months of searching, Jo found herself standing before a hidden cave said to be the resting place of the golden brush. With a mixture of excitement and trepidation, she stepped into the darkness, her heart pounding in anticipation. Deep within the cave, a faint glow caught Jo's eye. She followed the shimmering light until she reached a small chamber filled with treasures and artifacts. And there in the center rested the legendary Glister. She walked toward it, and with trembling hands, Jo reached out and grasped that brush, feeling an electric surge of creative energy course through her veins. She knew that this moment would forever change her life as an artist. Filled with the newfound inspiration she so desired, Jo returned to her studio, clutching the golden brush. She prepared her canvas, covering it with a pristine coat of white paint, and let her brush glide across the surface. The golden paint flowed effortlessly from the brush, creating mesmerizing swirls and patterns. Remembering the lessons she had learned on her quest, Jo covered her palette knife with violet activator, and with a sense of purpose and a heart brimming with creativity, she carefully swiped it across the golden paint, adding depth and contrast to the creation. Again and again she swiped, and watched as the golden paint stretched and morphed into intricate designs. The room filled with an atmosphere of wonder as the artwork came to life. Jo placed the canvas onto her spinner and gave it a spin. Again and again she spun the canvas until it was just as she imagined. As the canvas gradually slowed its spin, Jo gazed upon the masterpiece she had created. The golden swirls shimmered with a captivating brilliance, capturing the essence of her amazing journey and the boundless depths of her imagination. Jo realized that the true magic of art lay not in the tools or materials, but within herself. The golden brush was merely a catalyst, unlocking her inner creativity and reminding her of the endless possibilities that awaited her. From that day forward, Jo continued to paint, infusing her artwork with the passion and wonder she had discovered on her quest. Her paintings enchanted all who beheld them, igniting their own artistic flames and inspiring them to embark on their own creative journeys. And so, in the cozy studio of Jo the artist, the golden brush became a symbol of the transformative power of imagination and the unending adventure of artistic expression.
Non più tra I farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto d'amor. Fra guerrieri po' farbacco, gran mustacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, uso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagni, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni al concerto di...
Just as Jo discovered her inner creative spark, may this painting ignite your own imagination and inspire you to embark on your own artistic journey. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. And thank you so much. Happy painting!